Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parshas, Parshas Terumah. In the book of Exodus, chapter 25, verse 2, we read, Speak unto the children of Israel that they take for me an offering. Every man whose heart making him willing, he shall take my offering. Rashi says "V'kli truma li l'shmi," that when it says to me, it means to my name, which is a quote from the Medrash. The Heilige Zayda, the Maharal, explains, if it wasn't for the sake of God's name, but rather for me, we already read in Psalm 24, verse 1, that the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. In Psalm 50, verse 12, it says, and if you're hungry, don't I tell you, I'm not hungry, I tell you, because all the animals of the forest belong to me. And that's why I had to say, li l'shmi, for me, for my sake, for the sake of my name. We'll do one more. Rashi says, Terumah hafrashi afrishali mimonim nadava, that Terumah means something that's separated, that you should separate a gift, a voluntary gift, from your money. And Maharal, the Zayda says, and meaning to say that it's distinct from the usual term Terumah, which is given to the priest. That's not what we're talking about here, but that the term Terumah is a more general term. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.